As a fundamental aspect of the legal process, serving a subpoena is a crucial step in gathering evidence and testimony for a case. While personal service is often the preferred method, serving a subpoena by mail can be a viable alternative in certain situations. What is a subpoena? A subpoena is a court-issued document that requires a person to testify or produce documents in a court case. It is a powerful tool used by attorneys to gather evidence and build their case. There are two main types of subpoenas: a subpoena ad testificandum, which requires a person to testify, and a subpoena duces tecum, which requires a person to produce documents or other tangible items. Serving a subpoena by mail. Federal rules. Under the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, FRCP, serving a subpoena by mail is permitted in certain circumstances. Rule 45 AC, Wark 1, states that a subpoena may be served by delivering a copy to the person, or by mailing a copy to the person at the person's last known address. However, this method of service is only permitted if the person being served is a party to the case or is commanded to attend a trial, and there is no objection to service by mail. State rules. While federal rules permit serving a subpoena by mail, state rules may vary. Some states, such as California, allow serving a subpoena by mail, while others, such as New York, require personal service. It is essential to check the specific rules of the state in which the subpoena is being served to ensure compliance. How to serve a subpoena by mail. If serving a subpoena by mail is permitted, the following steps should be taken. Verify the address. Ensure that the address to which the subpoena is being mailed is the person's last known address. This can be done by checking public records or contacting the person's attorney. Use certified mail. Use certified mail with return receipt requested to prove that the subpoena was mailed and received by the person being served. Include a cover letter. Include a cover letter with the subpoena explaining the purpose of the subpoena and the requirements for compliance. Provide adequate time. Provide the person being served with adequate time to comply with the subpoena. This can vary depending on the state and the type of subpoena being served. File proof of service. File proof of service with the court, which can be done by filing a certificate of service or an affidavit of service. Benefits of serving a subpoena by mail. Serving a subpoena by mail can be beneficial in certain situations. For example, cost-effective. Serving a subpoena by mail can be less expensive than personal service, which can save time and money. Convenience. Serving a subpoena by mail can be more convenient than personal service, especially if the person being served is located in a different state or country. Less confrontational. Serving a subpoena by mail can be less confrontational than personal service, which can help to avoid conflicts or disputes. Challenges of serving a subpoena by mail. While serving a subpoena by mail can be beneficial, there are also challenges to consider. Proof of service. Proving that the subpoena was served can be challenging, especially if the person being served denies receiving it. Compliance. Ensuring that the person being served complies with the subpoena can be difficult, especially if they are located in a different state or country. Timeliness. Ensuring that the subpoena is served in a timely manner can be challenging, especially if the person being served is not readily available.